What up, what up, what up, what up? It's your man, Boss Gang, VIP. This is my first YouTube video on my channel. Some of you know who I am, some people don't. Whether you do or you don't, you still gonna get this work. I do stocks. Professional investor. This is what I do. I'm good at helping people make money. I'm not a financial advisor. What I am is smart money. The reason people listen to the things that I say is because I help them make money. I'm not looking for friends. I don't want anything from you. If you want to make money, you're in the right place. Please don't let my confidence offend your insecurities. If you notice, I'm on camera inside with shades on. It's not just any shades, these some prime shades, man. Blenders. You gotta believe, right? That's what it says, you gotta believe. When it comes to what we do as investors, without belief, we have nothing. We want to do everything that we can do to give ourselves confidence to make the decisions that we need to make to be successful. I'm a big time sports fan. I'm a Lakers fan, Dodgers fan, if you couldn't tell. Got my LeBron bobblehead in the background. Went to a Dodgers game and LeBron was there with the family. It was pretty cool. It was a little bit after Bronny got out the hospital. I thought it was pretty dope to see the family there together. I was actually at the game with my son. We both got bobbleheads, and it was crazy because people who were at the stadium actually were trying to buy the bobbleheads from us and trade. It was pretty crazy, but yeah, I love it. I'm a big time sports fan. I'm a music producer. Been in Hollywood for a long time producing. Graduated school in Compton, grew up all over LA, Long Beach, East Side, West Side, Watts, 111th, 106, Compton, 629, East 138th Street. I've been all over. You name it, I've been all over. I've lived in the South Bay. I've experienced a lot. And I've come a long way, and I'm definitely proud of it. So with all my experience in life, I'm going to use that to help other people. Of course, this is the first video, so I don't expect you to learn everything about me in one day. I plan to be here for a while. So if you're ready to go on one of the most incredible journeys you've ever had, stick around. Make sure you're subscribed to the videos. You want to be able to say you were one of the first. Every week when we make a watch list, you want to be prepared. I have a strategy that I use, and it may take some time to explain to you guys. But what I'm going to do is simply give you some things to look at, and maybe you can apply these things to your strategy, and you'll find some success with that. Ultimately, I want to help you be successful. I'm going to give you a slight, quick look into the process that I use to find options trades. I am a swing trader. What does that mean? Typically, most of the options trades I take will have a minimum of 2 weeks and as much as 2 years. Certain circumstances, the methodology that I use allows me to take care of or take advantage of short-term volatility when those opportunities present themselves. With that being said, let me take these shades off. I want you to see my eyes. Can you see my eyes? Can you see my eyes? We're about to get into this work, and I'm gonna show you how we do. Check it out. This week, we're gonna look at the market watch economic calendar. We want to be aware of the events that are to come in the market. So we're not going to take too much time on this. Market watch, definitely take down that list. List is something that I want to refer to on a weekly, daily, weekly basis, just so I can make sure I'm up to date and have the right information when I'm making decisions. And as you can see, Monday the 27th, we have new home sales. Tuesday, November 28th. There are different Fed members speaking, and so you want to make sure you're aware of all of these events when you make decisions, especially if you're somebody who likes to trade futures, or even somebody who likes to trade something like SPX, something that's really, really volatile. Also, something else I like to refer to when I make these decisions is the Stock Traders Almanac. Very popular. I believe it's the number one stock book in the world, if I'm not mistaken. I think it is. So you definitely want to take advantage. Next week, it's overall bullish. Monday the 27th, bullish. Tuesday the 28th, more bullish than not. Wednesday the 29th, definitely another bullish day. We'll start to look for some bearish activity on Thursday and Friday. The last trading day of November, the S&P has been down S&P has been down 16 of the last 24 sessions. In the first trading day in December, NASDAQ has been up 22 of the last 35 trading sessions, but down 7 of the last 10. With that being said, I'm going to show you some things that I'm looking at this week that we might be able to take advantage of. Let's get into it. One of the tickers that I'm going to be looking at this week, staple stock, Campbell Soup, chunky soup. We all love it, and this is pretty simple right here. We're looking for entries above $41.25. Now, if this is your first time experiencing the way I work, you're probably wondering, where the hell are these levels coming from? Stick around and I will teach you how to do what I do. You're not going to learn it in this video. If you want to learn, I want you to put in the comments, I want to learn. I can show you the results better than I can tell you. I'm not here to sound smart. Again, I'm here to help you put some money in your pocket. And I believe that I'm one of the best that you've never heard of, and I'm willing to prove it, right? So let's go. I'm looking for Campbell's above $41.25. I am somebody that uses Thinkorswim TOS to do all my charting. I believe it's the best in the game, and it allows me to do some special things on micro time frames that I will teach you about down the line. Campbell's, we want to make sure we know the events. They have earnings on December 6th before market, and earnings December 6th, 7 a.m. So we want to be aware of that. So it's pretty simple. Looking for entries above $41.25. Amazon, we like to call it AMZN. Pretty simple on this, with no current economic events or anything. This has definitely been strong. We want to continue to take advantage of this one, especially in the short term while it's moving, while the market is hot. We're looking for entries above $147.20. The next one I am going to be looking at is a company I'm sure you are familiar with, Hewlett Packard, right? Legacy company. It's been around for a really, really long time. So I'm looking for entries on this one above $28.83. If you don't know, there is a method to the madness. You see blank screens, you're wondering what's going on. There's actually things that I do put on my screen, but for simplicity of this video and to help start people out on the right path, I'm going to just keep this really, really simple. They have dividends of 0.276 cent on December 12th, Central Standard Time. So I'm looking for HPQ above $28.83. The last ticker I'm going to be looking at, of course, is Nike. Everybody knows Nike. Just do it. Just do it. Everybody likes Nike. Looking for entries above $108.03. Some events going on with this. They have a dividend, 37 cents on December 1st. Earnings on December 12th. The conference call is December 21st, 2023 at 4 p.m. Central Time. Again, if you want to learn more, if you want to figure out the method to the madness, I need you to stick around, like the video, in the comments say, I want to learn. You have never met anyone like me in your life. I want you to take advantage. You've watched a lot of other people do their thing and they haven't produced the results that you want. That's why you're here. I want you to get the results that you want. I'm going to do my part. I'm going to ask you to do yours. I'm not asking anything from you. What I'm asking for you to be is a good student and to apply the methodology that I'm going to teach. Also, we're going to have a whole lot of fun. I'm known as Mr. Buy Low, Sell High. Please allow me to help you reach the goals. Ultimately, it's going to take the right mindset, consistency over time, compounding, and letting time work in your favor. My name is Boss Gang VIP. You can follow me on social media. Boss Gang VIP everywhere. I got a song that's called Buy Low. If you're a stock trader, I know you'll love it. Check it out. No editing, no cuts. Just that pure work, man. I'ma holla at you. Boss Gang VIP, man. I'm out. Peace.